Hello and welcome. This is Gary Garnett, and today I've just made a quick little review video for Commission Map. It's by Jamie Lewis and Matthew Sabia. It's a pretty good little video right here if you want to watch it. And we'll scroll down here. Here's the Ultimate Online Income Toolkit. Just a handful of things you'll learn: how to start your own lead generation business, how to make quick commissions on Over, how to start your own profitable Shopify store in 30 days, using Craigslist to get paying clients fast, blow up your ClickBank account using free traffic, how to find weird, ultra-profitable niches to target, making an extra $500 to $1,000 a month with Airbnb, start your own super simple funnel building agency, create your own simple websites to sell your services for you. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down here. Some income proof. One of the things that I liked was a 2-hour mastermind session, which is bonus number 1, and get a free copy of Matthew Sabia's book Transcendence. Okay, so you can join there. Now we're going to click on this one here. Is front-end offer is set $27, and then his upsells are $67, $97, and $147. I'm not exactly sure which ones are the upsells, but I'll show you in the back office because I have access to them. I'm not quite sure which one goes where. I think these are the commission VIPs, are probably the ongoing webinars that he has. Commission replays are ones that he's already done. And commission downloads, I believe, are his software. But we'll just go over there and I'll show you what those could be. Okay, so we're inside the site right now. Here's a welcome message. And you can go right here to view all video tutorials. And there's choosing winning offers to promote. There's 3 videos. Free traffic methods, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Email marketing, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And cheap and easy paid, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think there's 20, excuse me, 21 altogether. Plus, there's the mastermind replays, which are over here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them there. Plus there's the, I think there's another one here, a webinar one somewhere. Where the heck did I see that at? We'll go back home here and see if it's there. Anyways, there's something like 31 videos altogether in this collection here. And you also get Matthew Sabia's ebook, which is bonus number 2. And it's like 70-some pages, 77 pages. And okay, what was I going to do now? I was going to show you the software here that comes with it. And it's Use the Offer Finder. So click on that. Have to wait for it to load. And you can click on percentage payout. It's just loading, as you can see. Okay, so I've selected 50 to 60% commission. That's what most things are, and it changes. And right now, let's see, what am I going to pick here? Photography. You're going to go to photography. And there's an offer that you can go to. Scroll down there. Okay, so that is an offer that you can promote. And we'll go back over to there. And you can click on different, or here you can find relevant keywords for that one. Right there. And then you can promote it on Facebook ads. Shows you where you can log in and stuff, create an ad. or Google Ads. Okay, so I'll go back here. Now let's try a different category. And what are we going to do? Casino table games. There's a couple there. You can change the percentage and you get different amounts of things to promote. One that I'm interested in is affiliate marketing. And if you want to change the commission structure, then it'll change these ones as well. So it's a pretty neat piece of software. Some of them don't have anything in them. Let's just see, like banners. Maybe there's nothing in there. Okay, there's one. Auctions. Doesn't seem to be loading. Okay. Email marketing, probably be something there. Okay, promotions. There's something there. But some of these just don't have anything, so you never know if you're going to hit a good one or not. Nutrition. Well, we're finding a bunch of them. Okay, anyway, snoop around. Okay, so you get all that stuff. And then if you go to VIPs, this would be the actual upsells, which would be memberships and resources. These are old webinars that he's done, which is an upsell. Here's a software suite, which has expired domain machine, YouTube software. Use a calculator to find a business model, implement this business model, YouTube keyword suggestions, and YouTube keyword scraper. So those are upsells. I'm just not sure which the price is. Okay, here's, you can sign up for his webinars, weekly webinars. And the ultimate download is another upsell, which is a lot of his resource boxes, video databases that he has for, that he's done videos for products throughout the years. So anyway, that pretty much explains it. You just go to home here, and the easiest way is watch this first video, welcome video, then go to all the video tutorials. And they're all there. And I'm going to go back home. And you're going to get the Mastermind replay as a bonus. And Matthew Sabia's ebook as bonus number 2. So anyways, it's there's a lot of information here. Like there's just a pile of videos with all different kinds of topics that are, they're fairly short videos. Some of them are 15 minutes long, but they're, let's see, wait for that to load up. Click on one and see what happens. Maybe it's not going to go there. Maybe we got to go to video tutorials. Oh, there it's loading. Okay, now they're loaded up. So that one's 8 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 5. Fairly short. There's the odd long one, 13 minutes.
Okay, so in this video, I want to show you guys how you can actually...
Okay, so that's about it. I think it's good value for your money, so I hope you're interested in it, and thanks for watching.